Clean, growing trees that make your yard feel effortless. Your outdoor space deserves to be beautiful without becoming a constant cleanup job. That's what I'm Sam from Seniors Gardening Advice, and today I want to share something that changed how my own yard looks and feels. The secret isn't hard work, it's choosing the right trees from the start. Most people spend their weekends sweeping up fallen leaves, raking seed pods, and wrestling with overgrown branches. But what if your yard could look amazing with just a fraction of that effort? What if you could have a landscape that feels peaceful instead of demanding? The trees I'm about to show you prove it's absolutely possible. Before we get started, I'd love for you to subscribe to Seniors Gardening Advice so you never miss these helpful gardening tips. If you find this useful, please hit that like button. It really helps us reach more people who want easier, more beautiful yards. And let me know in the comments which tree catches your eye. Don't forget to share this with anyone you know who loves their outdoor space. Now let's talk about trees that actually make sense for residential spaces.
Small tree number 1, the Ebony Blossom Crepe Myrtle. Imagine having a flowering tree that brings drama and color without turning your driveway into a messy debris field. That's exactly what the Ebony Blossom Crepe Myrtle delivers. This isn't just any crepe myrtle, it's a specially developed variety that combines stunning visual impact with remarkably clean habits. The foliage is so dark it's almost black, creating a sophisticated contrast that makes everything else in your garden pop. During summer months, brilliant flowers burst forth against that dramatic backdrop, giving your home curb appeal that feels polished and intentional. What makes this tree special for anyone who doesn't want constant maintenance is how it actually behaves around your home. Traditional crepe myrtles drop flowers, seed pods, and loose debris constantly throughout the season. The ebony blossom variety is different. The blooms stay put longer, the leaf drop is minimal, and when the season ends, the cleanup is straightforward and predictable. You're not constantly sweeping or dealing with sticky residue on your patio. The tree grows in a tight, upright shape that respects your hardscapes. It won't spread into walkways or overwhelm nearby structures. Most importantly, it thrives in heat without needing excessive water, making it tough enough for challenging climates while staying neat and composed. The tree typically reaches a height that feels appropriate beside homes and driveways, not too tall, not too sprawling. Landscaping-wise, this tree shines as a focal point near entryways or as a statement piece in front yards. The black-toned foliage pairs beautifully with silver-leaved plants or light-colored flowering shrubs that highlight its bold tones. You can also plant it alone, where it becomes a stunning specimen that people actually notice. Please subscribe to Seniors Gardening Advice for more tree and garden ideas that make your life easier.
Small tree number 2, the Azure Vitex. Now I want to introduce you to a tree that brings Mediterranean charm and an incredibly airy feeling to any landscape. The Azure Vitex is one of my personal favorites because it manages to look elegant while being nearly maintenance-free. This flowering tree produces long spikes of lavender blue flowers throughout the warmer months. But here's what makes it truly special. Those flowers don't create the mess you'd expect. There's no sticky residue coating your patio, no heavy debris field underneath, no constant raking required. The foliage is finely textured and soft, giving the entire tree a breezy, light appearance that never feels heavy or imposing. The Azure Vitex naturally grows into a vase-shaped form without needing corrective pruning or constant shaping. It typically reaches between 10 and 15 feet tall, making it perfect for spaces where you want height without taking over the area. The flowers attract butterflies and other pollinators, which is wonderful for your garden ecosystem, but the seed heads are simple to manage if you want them removed. One of the best characteristics of this tree is its drought tolerance. Once established, it thrives in hot, sun-drenched locations without demanding constant watering. For people in warmer climates or those who want to conserve water, this is a game changer. The tree practically takes care of itself while remaining tidy and well composed.
In your landscape, the Azure Vitex looks gorgeous near driveways, in open yard spaces, along garden borders, or beside patios where you want dappled shade. The light-filtering quality of its foliage is gentle and non-invasive. Consider pairing it with lavender plants, ornamental grasses, or white-flowering perennials for a cohesive look that feels like a Mediterranean escape right in your own yard. Small tree number 3, the Luminous Angel Dogwood. Sometimes a tree comes along that simply stops people in their tracks. The Luminous Angel Dogwood is that tree. But here's the beautiful part. It delivers show-stopping visual impact without the maintenance headaches that plague many dogwoods. Most dogwood varieties create constant problems. They drop berries across walkways, shed leaves unevenly, and generally create an ongoing mess that requires persistent cleanup. The Luminous Angel is the exception. It produces enormous, luminous white flowers that practically glow against any garden backdrop. These flowers appear tidy and clean, staying put rather than dropping prematurely or creating litter problems. The tree maintains a naturally compact size, usually reaching somewhere between 15 and 20 feet tall, with a rounded, well-organized canopy that looks intentional without aggressive pruning. The branching structure is elegant and refined, adding visual interest even when the tree isn't in bloom. The foliage drops lightly and tidily, without the messy accumulation you get from other shade trees. Fall color arrives in soft oranges and reds, and this color transition happens without creating the kind of debris field that makes you cringe. This is genuinely one of the cleanest ornamental dogwoods available, making it perfect for people who want dramatic tree character without extra work. Plant the Luminous Angel near patios where its beauty can be appreciated up close, in front yards as a focal point, or anywhere you want a tree that contributes to a polished landscape. Pair it with dark evergreens to create striking contrast, or let it stand alone as a statement piece where those enormous flowers can really command attention. If you're enjoying these tree recommendations, please share this video with friends and family who love gardening. Your shares help Seniors Gardening Advice reach more people.
Small tree number 4, the coral lace Japanese maple. Sometimes elegance and low maintenance don't go together, except when you choose the coral lace Japanese maple. This refined tree brings sculptural beauty to your landscape while remaining remarkably tidy throughout the year. The foliage is finely cut and lacy, creating a soft, artistic presence that transforms how a space feels. The naturally layered branching structure means the tree is beautiful even in winter when all the leaves are fallen. You appreciate the framework of the tree, not just the foliage. Japanese maples have a reputation for being fussy, but the coral lace variety is genuinely well-behaved in home landscapes. The growth is slow and compact, so you're not constantly fighting an overgrown plant. The tree naturally stays in proportion to residential spaces. It typically reaches between 8 and 15 feet, depending on the specific variety you choose, making it suitable for small gardens, foundation plantings, or near seating areas where maintaining a clean canopy matters. Here's something important. This tree doesn't drop pods, fruits, or sticky debris like many shade trees. The leaves are thin and lightweight, so even the fall cleanup is minimal compared to larger, messier shade trees. The seasonal color changes are gorgeous without creating extra work. In your landscape, the coral lace Japanese maple excels as a focal point visible from windows or patios, where its form can be truly appreciated. It pairs beautifully with hostas, ferns, and low-growing shrubs, creating a calm, curated garden style that feels intentional and manageable. For anyone who wants elegance and ease, this tree is genuinely one of the most dependable choices available.
Small tree number 5, the Crimson Pearl Serviceberry. What if you could have a tree that delivers multiple seasons of interest, spring flowers, summer berries, and brilliant fall color without creating a cleanup nightmare? The Crimson Pearl Serviceberry does exactly that. This multi-season tree stays remarkably clean and garden-friendly throughout the year. In early spring, delicate white flowers appear and create a soft, pretty effect. As the season progresses, small berries develop that birds absolutely love. These berries get eaten quickly, so they rarely accumulate enough to become a litter problem. The foliage transitions through summer and then explodes into brilliant fall color. Despite delivering all this visual interest, the crimson pearl serviceberry maintains a naturally refined shape. The tree is compact and upright, fitting seamlessly beside homes, along fence lines, or near seating areas. It typically grows to 15 or 20 feet tall, with a narrow form that respects your property boundaries and hardscaped areas. The foliage holds cleanly throughout the season and drops predictably in fall. You don't get the constant leaf litter or messy debris accumulation. The tree simply looks tidy and intentional from one season to the next. There are no surprise messes or unexpected maintenance demands. The crimson pearl serviceberry brings a gentle, naturalistic elegance to landscapes. Use it as a focal point near your front entrance, plant it along property lines for soft screening, or combine it with shrubs and perennials to create a layered, four-season garden design. This is one of those trees that simply works without fuss or surprises. It's reliable beauty that doesn't demand anything from you. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to Seniors Gardening Advice so you get all our best gardening tips delivered right to you.
Small tree number 6, the teddy bear magnolia. When people think of magnolias, they often picture massive trees that create constant mess, dropped flowers everywhere, thick leaf piles, and overwhelming size. The teddy bear magnolia changes that entire equation. This is a compact evergreen magnolia that delivers all the elegance and charm of a traditional magnolia in a much more manageable package. The foliage is dense and glossy, creating an instant sense of polish and sophistication. The signature white flowers bring that classic southern charm everyone loves. But unlike traditional magnolias, this tree doesn't overwhelm your space or create cleaning problems. What makes the teddy bear magnolia genuinely clean and easy is how it naturally behaves. The leaves are thick and shed slowly, so you're not dealing with constant maintenance. The flowers drop minimally compared to other magnolia varieties. The canopy stays tight and symmetrical without needing heavy pruning or corrective shaping. The tree grows to only about 12 to 15 feet tall with a narrow spread, making it perfect for situations where a traditional magnolia would be far too large and messy. Plant it beside patios, near driveways, or at front entries where its compact form and upscale appearance matter. In your landscape, the teddy bear magnolia excels anywhere you want year-round structure and an elegant appearance with almost no maintenance requirements. Use it as a statement tree positioned to be seen from inside your home. Plant a pair of them to frame walkways or gates with style. Let it anchor a small garden bed where its evergreen presence keeps the space feeling lush even during winter months. This is genuinely one of the easiest and cleanest magnolias to live with.
Small tree number 7. The Rising Sun Redbud. Our final tree brings stunning color through multiple seasons without creating the mess associated with traditional shade trees. The Rising Sun Redbud is a small ornamental tree that remains beautifully clean while delivering serious visual impact. The foliage of this tree is remarkable. The heart-shaped leaves emerge in warm apricot and gold tones. As the season progresses, they shift to chartreuse and eventually mature into a soft lime green. This color progression creates a gentle gradient effect that brightens the entire landscape. The early spring pink blossoms appear neatly on bare branches, adding charm without clutter. The Rising Sun Redbud remains compact and easy to manage, typically reaching 8 to 12 feet tall with a rounded, friendly shape. It fits comfortably in front yards, near patios, and in spaces where you want high visual impact without overwhelming the area or creating cleanup demands. The foliage stays tidy and breaks down quickly after it falls, never creating the kind of constant raking associated with larger shade trees. You appreciate the color changes without extra work. In your landscape, the Rising Sun Redbud excels as a warm and welcoming focal point near entry areas, along walkways, or beside seating areas where its evolving leaf colors can be appreciated up close. The soft, light-filtering quality creates dappled shade without feeling heavy.
The clean canopy makes it ideal for low-maintenance gardens that still want seasonal interest and visual variety.
Creating your effortless landscape. Choosing the right small trees can completely transform your home's landscape without adding extra work to your life. Each of these 7 options delivers genuine beauty with remarkable ease. Whether you're looking for color, shade, structure, or seasonal interest, these clean-growing trees keep your space looking polished throughout the year. The trees we've discussed share important qualities. They maintain naturally tidy forms. They don't create constant debris. They don't demand excessive pruning or shaping. They simply grow beautifully while respecting your property and your time. Plant one of these trees or combine several for a landscape that feels effortless, elegant, and refreshingly low maintenance. Your outdoor space can be both beautiful and manageable. These trees prove it. Thank you so much for watching Seniors Gardening Advice. Please subscribe, like this video, leave a comment telling us which tree you love most, and share this with fellow gardeners. We appreciate your support.